Hello everyone. How to solve the given exponential equation, which is 7 times 3 to the power x plus 1 minus 9 times 3 to the power x minus 1 is equal to 9 to the power x times 3 to the power x plus 1 minus 3 to the power x. What is the value of x? Now solution. And first we divide both sides by this. Then we have 7 times 3 to the power x plus 1 minus 9 times 3 to the power x minus 1 divided by 3 to the power x plus 1 minus 3 to the power x is equal to 9 to the power x into 3 to the power x plus 1 minus 3 to the power x divided by 3 to the power x plus 1 minus 3 to the power x. This will be cancelled. Now, according to laws of indices, it will be 7 to the power 7 times 3 to the power x into 3 to the power 1, that is 3, minus 9 times, according to laws of indices, it will be 3 to the power x divided by 3 to the power 1, that is 3, divided by 3 to the power x into 3 minus 3 to the power x is equal to 9 to the power x. Implies 3 sevens are 21 to the power into 3 to the power x minus 9 times 9 by 3 is 3. 3 into 3 to the power x divided by, here is 3 to the power x common, then it will be 3 minus 1 is equal to 9 to the power x. Now 21 times 3 to the power x minus 3 times 3 to the power x, then it will be 18 into 3 to the power x, 18 times 3 to the power x divided by 3 to the power x into 3 minus 1 is 2 is equal to 9 to the power x. Now this 3 to the power x and 3 to the power x cancel. 2 9s are 18. Therefore we get 9 is equal to 9 to the power x. That is 9 to the power x is equal to 9. 9 means 9 to the power n. Both sides base is equal. Therefore this power and this power will be equate. So we get x is equal to 1. And this is the solution of this equation. Now check. Original equation 7 times 3 to the power x plus 1 minus 9 times 3 to the power x minus 1 is equal to 9 to the power x 3 to the power x plus 1 minus 3 to the power x. We put the value of x from all these terms, then we get 7 times 3 to the power 1 plus 1 minus 9 to the power 3 to the power 1 minus 1 Is it 9 to the power 1 into 3 to the power 1 plus 1 minus 3 to the power 1? Then it will be 7 into 3 to the power 2, that is 3 square, 9 minus 9 into 3 to the power 0 is 1, is 9, is equal to 9 to the power 1 is 9 into 3 to the power 2 is 9 minus 3. Now 7 nines are 63, minus 9 is equal to 9 into 6. 63 minus 9 is 54, is equal to 6 nines are 54. Therefore, left hand side is equal to right hand side. So our answer x is equal to 1 satisfied the original equation. So we get x is equal to 1 from this equation. Thank you for watching. Please like, share, comment. Also subscribe my channel. Goodbye.